Hey everyone, it's Archer and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be making hibachi style egg fried rice using the rice that we made in our previous video. I came up with this recipe by watching many YouTube videos of fried rice being prepared in Japan. Each one had its own different styles, so I decided to put those together and create a dish that I really love. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of chopped white onion, yellow onion also works, 1 stalk of green onion or scallions, and 1 large clove of garlic, also chopped. For the rice, we're using 2 cups of day-old rice that we made in our previous video. To make it easier while cooking, I've cracked the egg in a bowl and added 2 pinches of salt. And then I'm slightly going to beat the egg, but we're not trying to make scrambled eggs here, just a slight beat will do. Measure out 1/2 cup of frozen peas and carrots. Turn the heat on medium-high. Get your biggest pan out. One with high sides prevents oil splatter. And then add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using canola here. Let the oil get really hot. And then add the onion to the pan. Cook the onions for about a minute. Constantly stir them so that they don't get burnt. Once the onions have started to brown up, add the garlic. Keep stirring until the garlic starts to brown. Keep an eye on it so that the garlic doesn't burn. Now add the rice and stir everything together. You want to try to get every grain of rice coated in oil so that it gives it a nice fried texture. After 2 to 3 minutes of frying, the rice is starting to look good, so move it to the side of the pan. We're going to create the illusion of a hibachi grill by physically moving the pan to the side so that the rice stays warm but is away from direct heat. Turn down the heat to low and add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan. Then add the frozen peas and carrots and let those cook for just under a minute. Then move the peas and carrots on top of the rice so that they don't continue cooking. Add another tablespoon of oil and then add the egg. Gently stir the egg and let it cook for about a minute. While you're cooking, don't let the egg brown. After the egg looks about done, break it up into small chunks. Then mix everything together. As you're stirring, keep breaking the egg into smaller and smaller chunks. Add some freshly ground black pepper and give everything another stir. At this point, everything is pretty well combined and the eggs are in small chunks. So we can go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of our stir-fry sauce. You can use any brand of stir-fry sauce, and even teriyaki sauce works great too. Stir everything together and make sure that all grains of the rice are coated with the sauce. This is a great time to actually try the rice to determine if any more sauce needs to be added. If it tastes too dry, add a little bit more sauce. Before the last step, turn off the heat and add just under 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. One of the things I learned while making this dish is that you always add sauce last. Otherwise, the soy sauce will burn and get stuck to the pan, which isn't good at all. Put the rice on a plate or bowl, add some scallions, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and be on the lookout for our next video.